Your car's tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, needs sensor ID registration because each TPMS sensor has a unique identifier that must be recognized by the vehicle system. This ensures accurate tire pressure readings and proper communication between the sensors and the car's electronic control unit. When new TPMS sensors are installed, they must be initialized and registered so the system knows which sensor corresponds to each tire. Without this registration, the TPMS warning light may stay on and the system may not function. Using tool Hyundai Tpms.